Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we jump into today's review, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on any of our latest videos. Today, we're taking a look at the incredible Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max. This beauty comes in 128GB, 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB ROM options, so no matter how much storage you need, we've got you covered. Now, I know what you're thinking, a used phone? But wait, let me tell you about our 98% new selection. Each and every phone has passed our rigorous testing and selection process to ensure it's in perfect working order. We're talking original displays, fully functional cameras, and all the amazing features you expect from an iPhone. And when you order, you'll have some great bundle options to choose from. Whether you just want the phone with the standard package, or you want to add on a fast charger or even a wireless charger, we've got the perfect bundle for you. In the standard package, you'll receive the iPhone 13 Pro Max, a manual book, and a data cable. But that's not all, we're also throwing in a silicone case and a screen protector for free. I know some of you are wondering about the lack of a power adapter or ear pods, but fear not, the box includes a USB-C to Lightning cable that supports fast charging and is compatible with USB-C power adapters and computer ports. So, if you're in the market for an incredible iPhone 13 Pro Max at an unbeatable price, check out the link in the description to get yours today. Whether you're upgrading or looking for a fantastic gift, this iPhone is sure to impress. Don't miss out.